Hi everyone, this is Crochet with Laudiaann. Welcome to my crochet channel, and I just wanted to give you guys some tips on if you're learning how to crochet and you want to learn how to crochet, you need to buy books about crocheting. Okay, actually it will help you a whole lot if you would buy yourself a book about crochet stitches. All right, now this is one of my books I have. I have a lot of books, but I also buy patterns too, crochet patterns. And if you practice, you know, all about the stitches, and you'll get the understanding, and then you'll become very creative if you're very talented in your creativity. All right, a lot of people are creative in different areas, and this will actually establish your talents, and it will actually bring them out, and you're going to find out the things that you have passion for and what stitches that you have passion for and you would use very often. All right, so I recommend that everyone go to the Hobby Lobby store, or go on, you can get really good bargains on eBay. That's I buy a lot of ebooks, and I also buy books, just regular hardcover books on Amazon. I have a lot of books there also, and let me share with you my other books that I have. Okay everyone, I am back. These are the collections of my books, but it's not all of them because I have more. And I encourage everyone, whatever you want to learn how to make, you know, get the pattern, get the book, learn how to read patterns. I'm actually going to make a video on describing the chart of your pattern. The symbols, they're symbols of your stitches, so you need to learn the symbols of your stitches. All right, sometimes I go on Etsy. These are ideas that what you can do. I go on Etsy, I buy other people's patterns too, or there's a lot of free patterns on the internet too. You can go there. You can subscribe to Crochet Spot. It's a subscription. You can go there. They offer free patterns. There's a lot of crochet websites that have a lot of free patterns, so you can actually download them. There's a lot for free if you can't afford it. But see, I have a lot of collection of crochet books, and this is just some of them. You know, I have much more. So I have a whole library stack of books, and I take these ideas and I create my own patterns too. All right, they're all basic stitches. So if you know the basic stitches and you know the symbols of how to crochet, then you'll be able to bring out the creativity of you making something adorable, beautiful, however you whatever you create, it's your own unique talent, and you're going to really feel good about yourself because you have made something out of yarn and a crochet hook and beautified it. So so this video is just I'm just encouraging everyone, if you're learning how to crochet, start collecting a crochet library. Like, you know, I have a lot also on my computer. I store files. I have files of all the crochet stitches of from different patterns I have downloaded. So I don't know actually how many thousands of files I have, but I know I have over 1,000 patterns to follow. If I ever choose to want to make something, I follow patterns. I know some people are very talented. They don't read crochet patterns because they're so talented. They can just create something out of. My mom was like that. As a matter of fact, she wouldn't even read patterns. She never read patterns. Some people just don't read patterns. They just have the image and they have the vision. They know their numbers. They know how to count, and it's in them. You know, some people are just genius. Like I'm not that creative, but I am creative if I really sit down and if I really take it to heart. I can create something my own way, and everybody have their own way, but I also love to read patterns. So if versatile, have both, okay? Have the skill of reading patterns and creating, imagining, and envision it in your mind too as well. All right, thank you for connecting with my crochet channel. I'm Crochet with Laudiaann, and I'll see you all in the next upcoming videos that I will upload. Thank you for coming over to my crochet channel, and let's start crocheting. All right, bye everyone.